Assembly to pay tribute to all the men and women who have served and continue to serve in the United Nations peacekeeping operation and to honor the memory of those who have lost their lives in the cause of peace. Bangladesh joined with UN peacekeeping began in 1988 with a modest contribution of officers to the United Nations in Iran-Iraq Military Observer Group. Since then, our nation has emerged as one of the largest and most reliable contributor of troops and police personnel to UN peacekeeping operations. This commitment stems from our constitutional obligation to promote international peace and security. Over the past 3.5 decades, Bangladesh peacekeepers have served with distinction in numerous challenging missions across the global, earning accolades for their professionalism, dedication, compassion, and unwavering commitment to cause of peace. Bangladesh peacekeepers are currently serving in several UN missions across the world. This contribution of both the Bangladesh military, army, navy, and air force and the Bangladesh police to UN peacekeeping are immense and multifaceted. Our military personnel have demonstrated exceptional courage and operational expertise in diverse and often volatile environments. They have been involved in a wide area of tasks, including traditional peacekeeping, peace enforcement, disarmament, demobilization, and reintegration of former combatants, and protection of civilians, and providing engineering and logistical support. Their discipline, resilience, and adaptability have earned them a respect and admiration worldwide. They have often operated in areas where few would dare to venture, bringing a sense of security to vulnerable population and creating a condition conducive to lasting peace. Similarly, the Bangladesh police have also played a crucial role in UN peacekeeping, particularly in the area of policing reform, capacity building of local law enforcing agencies, and maintaining public orders. Our police officers, including a significant number of female officers who served as a role model, have been instrumental in restoring trust between communities and law enforcement in past conflict and societies. They have contributed to rebuild a justice system, training local police forces, and promoting gender-sensitive policing practices. Their expertise in community policing and their human approach have been vital in fostering sustainable peace. Maintaining global peace has become a far more challenging today. New and unconventional threats are arising from various state and non-state actors. Recognizing the demanding nature of peacekeeping operations, Bangladesh has invested significantly in state-of-the-art of training and infrastructure facilities our forces preparing for UN mission. The Bangladesh Institute of Peace Support Operations Training stands as a premier institution in this regard. BIPSOT provides a comprehensive mission-specific training to our Army, Navy, Air Force, and police personnel, and aligning with the UN standard and contemporary peacekeeping challenges. Furthermore, we have established specialized training facilities within Bangladesh for Bangladesh Army to whom a specific skill required for their respective role in peacekeeping. As we commemorate this International Day of UN Peacekeepers, we reaffirm Bangladesh's unwavering commitment to the ideals and objectives of United Nations. We are immensely proud of the contribution and sacrifice of our brave peacekeepers. Their dedication not only bring honor to our nation, but also significantly contribute to a more peaceful and stable world. The present interim government remains steadfast in its support for UN peacekeeping operation. We will continue to provide highly skilled and well-equipped personnel to serve in missions around the globe. We also reiterate our commitment to enhance the safety and security of our peacekeepers and promoting a culture of zero tolerance for any form of misconduct. Let us on this day not only honor the past and present peacekeepers, but also inspire future generations to embrace the noble cause of the peace. Let us work together with renewed vigor and determination to build a world free from conflict, a world where peace, justice, and dignity prevail for all. I extended my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for joining us today to honor our heroes in blue helmet. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.